So I'm sure most of us out there would agree, changing dirt bike tires is probably not one of your favorite things to do. But for April, we're gonna make that job a little bit easier for one lucky person out there, because for this month's giveaway, we're giving away to one lucky winner an adjustable height Tusk tire changing stand and a 3-piece Tusk tire iron kit. I use one of these things, I love it. So stop using that 5-gallon bucket or whatever you're using to change your dirt bike tires if you're doing it on the floor. Stop doing that. These things make the job 10 times easier. A couple features about this I love. One, you've got 2 rings on top, so you can do anywhere from a 10-inch all the way up to your full big bike dirt bike tires. I love that it rotates, so as I'm putting my tire on or taking it off, I can just spin the tire. And like I said, it's gonna come with the 3-piece tire iron set, so you've got 2 10.5-inch spoons, and then you've got the big dog. Some other nice features about this, like I said, the height is adjustable. You've got a rim lock gap right here just to make it a little bit easier for those stubborn rim locks. And overall, this thing, you've got to have it in the garage. If you change your own dirt bike tires, you need one. So we're giving away one to a special winner in April. And here's what you need to do to enter to win. It's very simple. Be subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. After you've done that, we want you just to comment below. And I know there's a lot of really good tire changing stories out there, so give it to us. What's the worst experience you've ever had changing a dirt bike tire? Leave that in the comment section below. Once you've done those 2 easy steps, you're automatically entered to win. So a couple things you need to know. This contest will run from April 12th through the 19th, so you want to make sure you check back after the 19th. Have your notifications on, people. That way, if I respond back to your comment, you will be notified. So check back after the 18th to see if you've been selected as our one lucky winner. This is just for the contiguous United States, and you got to be 18 years or older. If you want to see the breakdown of all the rules, that is simple. Just click the link in the description below. But from all of us here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, thank you so much to everyone out there who subscribes to our channel, who watches these videos. We wouldn't do this if it weren't for you. So good luck to everyone on your new adjustable height tire changing stand.